Best Christmas lights comparison. Outdoor Christmas lights are an essential part of holiday decor, bringing warmth and festivity to homes, gardens, and public spaces. With a variety of options available, choosing the right product can be overwhelming. This article compares 5 popular Christmas light models. List number. The Preext 300 count clear Christmas tree lights stand out as a premium option in this comparison. With 300 incandescent bulbs spread across a generous 60-foot green wire, this set is ideal for large-scale decorations like outdoor trees, patios, and fences. The inclusion of twinkle bulbs adds versatility, allowing users to create dynamic lighting effects. The ability to connect up to 5 sets makes it expandable for larger spaces, and the durable green wire blends seamlessly into natural settings. In terms of performance, these lights deliver a warm and inviting glow, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. While the incandescent bulbs provide excellent brightness, they are less energy efficient compared to LED alternatives. The lack of water resistance is a limitation for outdoor use in wet conditions. Users praised its reliability and ease of installation, but some noted that the twinkle effect requires manual insertion of special bulbs, adding an extra step to setup. List 2. The Yekqua upgraded 75.8 FT 200 LED Christmas string lights offer a modern LED solution with advanced features like a timer and memory function. With 200 bulbs across a 75.8-foot length, these lights are perfect for decorating large areas. The 8 lighting modes provide versatility for different occasions, and the IP44 waterproof rating ensures durability in outdoor settings. The UL-certified low-voltage plug adds safety, making it suitable for households with children. Performance-wise, the Yekqua lights excel in energy efficiency and brightness, thanks to their LED technology. The timer and memory functions are user-friendly and reduce the hassle of manual operation. However, some users reported difficulty in accessing the control button on the adapter. The extendable design allows up to 5 chains to be linked, making it a great choice for expansive displays. Overall, these lights offer excellent value for their price point. List number 3. The TW Shine Warm White Christmas lights are the budget option in this comparison, offering 100 incandescent bulbs across a 20-foot length. Despite their lower price point, these lights include features like end-to-end connectivity for up to 6 sets and a built-in fuse for safety. The warm white glow is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, making them versatile for smaller-scale holiday decorations. While these lights deliver a pleasant aesthetic, their shorter length and lower bulb count limit their use for larger displays. The IP44 waterproof rating is a significant advantage for outdoor applications, and the inclusion of spare bulbs ensures longevity. However, the incandescent technology consumes more power and generates heat, which may not be ideal for extended use. Users appreciated the affordability and ease of installation, but noted occasional issues with bulb longevity. List number. The BrizLabs Clear Christmas lights offer a robust solution for holiday decor. With 300 incandescent bulbs spread across a 69.6-foot length. The set includes 2 strands of 150 lights each, allowing for flexible placement. The warm white glow and 360-degree sparkling effect create a festive ambience, while the UL certification ensures safety. These lights are connectable up to 3 sets, making them ideal for medium to large displays. These lights excel in brightness and aesthetic appeal, thanks to their traditional incandescent bulbs. The green wire blends well with trees and bushes, enhancing the overall look. However, they are not fully waterproof, requiring protection from heavy rain. Users appreciated the included spare bulbs and fuses, as well as the ease of installation. The slightly higher price point reflects their quality and performance, making them a solid choice for serious decorators. List 5. The Sylvania Christmas lights feature 300 multicolor incandescent bulbs across a total length of 64.75 feet. This set includes 2 strands of 150 lights each, making it ideal for traditional holiday decor. The multicolor bulbs create a vibrant and cheerful atmosphere, while the green wire blends seamlessly with trees and bushes. These lights are UL certified and connectable up to 3 sets, offering flexibility for larger displays. In terms of performance, the Sylvania lights deliver reliable brightness and durability. The multicolor bulbs are particularly appealing for users seeking a classic holiday aesthetic. However, the incandescent technology consumes more energy and generates heat, which may not be ideal for extended use. Users praised the vibrant colors and ease of installation, but noted occasional issues with bulb replacements. Overall, these lights offer excellent value for their price point.